Welcome back to Advanced Digitalization Engineering and Technology, my YouTube channel, in which we discuss the generative shape design in the CATIA, in which part designs product design a part an xy plane and yz plane, zx planes, geometry set, body part body applications, in which takes first planes and draw the arc and splines. The product is complete in gray color, and take the offset in 31 minus. The product is generated by the swept command. Swept command. Take the previews. The distance is increased. Take preview. Okay. So this is generative shape designs is the command of swept and offset. Sweep and offset. Thank you. Please my channel subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.